Welcome once again. Let's talk about fake token feed every gorilla token fake after hitting over almost 30% increase in price within 2 days. Fake token right now have actually lost about 22% price in the past 24 hours. Well, this is a great loss for fake token feed every gorilla within the period of 24 hours. 22% loss in price. Well, if you take a look at Bitcoin today actually increased, okay, and you see fake losing. BTC have actually gained about $1,150 more within the past 24 hours. And I think for fake token, they actually maintain over 4 to 5 days increase in price. Before today, we saw that fake token started dropping in price and have almost hit 22% drop in price, and that have also caused fake token to lose in terms of market cap. They've really dropped a lot. Millions of dollars have been pulled out of fake token within the past 24 hours. But I still think let's watch to see before the end of this week if fake token will be bouncing back, if fake token will be rising, if fake token will be pumping back again. But I think it is not yet over after hitting almost 70 to 80% in 7 days and 30% in 2 days, but losing 22% in just a single day. I think this is not good for fake token right now, but I still believe, let's hope fake token bounces back before the end of this week. Please remember to subscribe, turn on notification in order not to miss our next videos.